Hey, hello guys, this is Freestyler Vignesh. Welcome to my third vlog. This is Vikrant MTB Freestyle. Whoa. Hey. Ooh. It's very hard, guys. Hey Uday, freestyler, tell hi. Bro, come fast. So we came to the wall ride pump track in Hyderabad near Appa Junction. If you have an MTV or BMX, you can come here, you can have lots of fun. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Bro, come. I'll do. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, oh. లక్కీ లక్కీ అట్లా కాదు ఇటు అట్లా పోవాలంట రాంగ్ పోతున్నాం లక్కీ వెయిట్ 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 లెట్ హిమ్ కమ్ లక్కీ యా హీస్ మై బ్రదర్ యూ విల్ ఓన్లీ గో ఫస్ట్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ యూ
I'll start lately.
No need, come front. Wait. Lucky, come fast.
Let's don't crash into each other.
Okay.
That's the only condition which I...
You watch out there, it's very slippery. Come here. Fast. Be there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Be here, Lucky. Okay. Lucky, race. Be here. Come bro, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
I think he's gonna kill us.
Uday! Uday, come fast!
Hey, Uday!
Race!
Dude, are you guys like YouTubers or something?
Okay, we'll do 3. Wait. 3, 2, 1, start. Whew. Whoa, whoa. Yo. Bro, you break the loose.
Let's go.
Wait.
Third location.
He's cheating.
No, I'm not cheating.
I won. I won.
I won.
I won the race.
I won the race, man.
You came from the wrong route. We'll do a fair play. Vikrant.
Let's go.
Wait.
Money power.
You are also racing.
Can I go first?
Yeah, go.
3, 2, 1, go. Bro. Water. Water, watch out. Whoa. Whew. Enough, watch out. Whew. Okay.
He's not. He just started.
Whew. Bro, where did you bought this helmet?
Like in the
Bye guys, like, share and subscribe.